Today I'm going to be testing out the new Litchi View feature, VUE, which lets you stream your actual footage into a second device. This is amazing. Now, how do you set this up? Actually, I thought you would have to use an external Wi-Fi device, but actually it's not even true. You just need to use the personal hotspot device on your iPhone that you're using connected to your phone, your phone connected to your DJI remote. So here I'm going to connect to my personal hotspot. It's going to automatically activate it on the phone. It's connected. Okay, now I'm connected to that personal hotspot. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, DJI Mini is turned on and we're going to be connecting. I'll turn this on as well. Okay. It's connecting. Ah, dope. Okay, so this is the footage. This is footage from the drone. I'm gonna press the share button here on the bottom. Litchi View. Okay, so now it's activated. You see the little magnifying glass. Now I'm gonna go into my app, second device, download Litchi View, my iPhone as a connection, and voila! Check that out. It's now streaming. Look at that. This is the actual footage from the camera thing. And this is actually taking the. Now look at the lag. You can see there's a slight lag. This is the real time. The very left and right. But just like that, it's so simple to set up, and now you have a second device that's streaming the actual footage. Amazing. And also a little bit of telemetry. It's pretty cool. From here you see this icon. It shows that the iPad is actually connected to the phone. And you just have to press it and you can disconnect it. Just like that, to stop sharing. But that shows you it's connected. You have a second device connected to it. I mean, this is so cool what they created, and it's free. It's just a free update. I could have sworn that there was a paid app before, but now it's free. I'm telling you, Litchi is one of the best applications that you can buy to really unlock the potential of your drone. It's amazing. Now, for application, imagine like you're in a commercial setting, like you're using your drones for inspection and stuff like that, inspecting ships, inspecting buildings, and that kind of stuff, and you want your client to watch on a separate device like an iPad, you could stream over without a client looking over your shoulder on your small little tiny iPhone screen. So that's great for that kind of application. Or for example, maybe you're doing for recreational purpose, and in which your children is too young to fly the drone, but you want to share the kind of activity of drone flying with your family. Then now you can have them view the streaming footage, and they can feel involved with it, because they're just not old enough to handle the drone. So that's great. Commercial, recreational use, it's awesome. Litchi is awesome. Cons, the only cons I can imagine is that if you're running a personal hotspot, it must be creating some kind of extra Wi-Fi signal. So if you're doing like a long-range run, I wouldn't want to stream because it's probably reducing your transmission signal by something. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it is reducing it. But this feature is so awesome, and I can't believe that they offered it for free. So really, Litchi is just offering so much for the customer. Whatever they're asking for, the price, it's worth it. So anyway, this is just a quick review of the Litchi View, the streaming feature. Amazing.